Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Capital One Quicksilver Card. As you spend and make transactions with your Capital One Quicksilver Card, you will be eligible to earn rewards and points. So here are 3 ways you can use your Quicksilver Card to the full. Earn as you spend. This feature comes with the benefit of saving as you spend. You earn an unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase. So with this feature, you can benefit from using Quicksilver Card to save money on your shopping. Win rewards. You can use Capital One Quicksilver Card to earn 5% cashback. Just go ahead and make purchases using the Capital Travel on entertainment, hotels, and rental cars. And lastly, make payment on Amazon and PayPal. You can use the card to make purchases on platforms such as Amazon and PayPal. And when you're on the checkout, you can also use the rewards you've earned to pay for your items. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.